Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney and this is Doodle Dollars. Today I'm going to be saving in my yearly savings binder. I have $120 here today, so let's get into it. We're going to start off with some Happy Meal here. This is from Toria's Budgets. This is pen pal mail, I believe. So these are all going to be freebies except for the laminated items. So let's see what those are. All right, so we have a cute little IOU, so that's laminated. So that's not a freebie, that must be for her members. We have this mini for Mother's Day, that's cute. Then we have these ones for Easter, some cute black and white ones. And then these little piggies, oh my gosh, Toria, these are adorable. Then we have April Fools. We have this one for May. Oh my goodness, and June. How cute. So go check out Toria's Budgets, y'all. These will be on her Ko-fi. And then, oh my goodness, look at this frog. That is adorable. How cute. And then we have this mini. Are you pollen? Because you got me buzzing all day. So I think this one is the pen pal exclusive because she always does like something like this, like the little quote. That's so cute. Oh my gosh, Toria, thank you so much for sending that. These are all so cute. I'm excited to use these in my binders. This scratch off and this IOU are also so cute. All right, so let's get into my savings, guys. We have our yearly savings here. I'm going to start off with car insurance because my car insurance payment is coming up in April. I need about $1,000 and I think I have like 905. So we are going to add this truck for 15. So we multiply these numbers together to get whatever we're saving today. So 3 and 5 is 15. So we'll go ahead and do that. And now we have 920. I just counted it, so I'm not going to count again because it is a lot, but yeah, we do have 920 now. Is that right? 905 plus 15. I'm always so unsure of my math. Yeah, 920. Okay, perfect. Next, we have this one. This challenge is by LV Budgets, and we have our Winsdays. So, man, let's go ahead and do this number 18 here. I'm going to put these $2 bills back and grab this 20. All right, so for this one, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 120, 25, 30, 35, and 36. 136. So any of our car repair items we can take out of this money right here, which is exciting because, you know, my car is not super old. It's a 2022, but, you know, I do want to start saving for those repairs, like even just getting the key fob battery changed, which I've had to do already. So okay, then this one is by Rainbow Budgets. We're gonna spin. Okay, we got the Toyota SUV. Let's see what we're saving. $29. Okay. So let me put that back and I'll grab 30. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So we have 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60 in this challenge now by Rainbow Budgets. So lots of money saved for our car repairs, which are coming up. Well, maybe not, but you know, eventually we will need. All right, next, this challenge is by Bookish Mama Budgets. It saves 600. And let's see, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, $80 in here. Our next cell phone payment, I just paid it in February. So March, April, May, June, July, August. We need to have about $300. So I think we're going to skip this one today. Actually, I don't know. Okay, that's 12. So I'm trying to stretch my money here. 5, 10, 11, 12. But I don't know. I guess it's fine. All right, so $92. So we're about a third of the way there. So we'll definitely need to skip that at some point so that we can focus on other endeavors here. Okay, this challenge is by 4 Dizzy Birds. We're gonna just scratch whichever one we feel like. All right, that's $5. Yay, that's not bad. So grab a 5. We have 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 1, 2, 3, and 4. $64. This one saves $125. All right, and I do need like a crown or something on this tooth in the very back of my mouth. It's a cavity that I had when I was really little, and they filled it with like that gray filling. It bothers me because it's like, ew, that's gross. And so my dentist was like, yeah, it looks like it's cracking, so we probably need to go ahead and like redo that or replace it. I don't even know what, but I really don't. I'm not looking forward to it because I asked them how much that would be, and they were like roughly $1,000. So, all right, this next challenge is for our eyes. Any glasses or contact lenses? I am on my second to last pair of contact lenses. I don't know that I'll have enough saved with this challenge, but we'll pull what we have. And so this little challenge is by Dying Outlaw Games and Budgets. We're using it as like a little challenge here. And let's go ahead and do, let's see. Another $4 with this one. So I'll grab that. So now we have 20, 40, 45, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 58. So I think that will be maybe, I don't know. I think my contact lenses last time were close to $200. So yeah, we are barely making a dent in that, but that's okay. Whatever we have saved will help us in the long run. All right, next we have medical savings. This is more for like emergency type stuff, not for regular like prescriptions or whatever, but in case of emergency. All right, so that's $15 that we're saving today. So now we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88. All right, next, we are running low on cash. We have yearly subscriptions. We just have one left to scratch for March. Now, I usually pay monthly for stuff like Canva. What else? Netflix. I don't even know if you can pay yearly for Netflix, but if you can, I want to do that because it ends up being cheaper in the long run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Definitely Canva. And I'm not sure what else. So I haven't really figured it out because I don't have the money to do that yet. But once I have the money saved up with this challenge in here, I'm going to try to switch over to yearly subscriptions for like the things that I use on the regular, like my Canva subscription, which I use to make my challenges, my Wondershare Filmora subscription, which is what I use to edit my videos, stuff like that. So 20, 40, 60, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. All right, for our emergency fund, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, I guess we will do this one then. Yeah, for our emergency fund. This challenge is by Budget with Amanda. And we have like 12 little princess challenges here. So once I complete one of these, I go ahead and take that money and put it in my bank in my emergency fund that I have in my bank. So next time, let's make sure that we start with home maintenance. I don't have a home now, so this would be for when I buy a home, hopefully soon. Anything that I need to replace or repair will come from this category. I'm hoping that that's how it works. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you next time. Bye.